Hi guys, so welcome to my channel Crypto Maniacs, where I talk about crypto, artificial intelligence and other money making ideas. If this is your first time on my channel, thanks for watching and please subscribe so you won't miss any of my other videos. And if you're a returning viewer, I most definitely appreciate you coming back to watch my videos. Okay, so today I'll be talking about Core and LayerZero, the revolutionary technology for cross-chain interoperability. Few days ago, the core team posted on the Medium handle, introducing the core bridge powered by LayerZero. And today I'll be talking about core and LayerZero. So what is LayerZero exactly? LayerZero is the revolutionary technology that is powering core's bridge to the broader blockchain ecosystem, enabling greater cross-chain interoperability. Now, what does this mean in simpler terms? It means that with LayerZero, the core blockchain will be able to interact with other blockchains, and with just a click, you can transfer other cryptocurrencies and interact with their data seamlessly. LayerZero acts like a bridge, but not just that, it's also something better. Okay, but why do we need a bridge in the first place? Over the past decade, the Layer 1 landscape has expanded to numerous chains, optimizing for specialized abilities like the Ethereum blockchain, Tron, Stellar, Tezos, etc. And each of these blockchains are optimized for some special abilities. Now, however, these chains also have had difficulties communicating with one another and transferring data and digital assets from one chain to another. Blockchain bridges and other interoperability protocols allow for the transfer of tokens and information from one chain or network to another. This allows for decentralized applications across different chains to leverage one another's abilities. Now, these blockchain bridges, however, do not come without their own limitations. They also have their own limitations despite their importance. Now, historically, they have been known to experience severe limitations. Now, using bridges often involves multiple steps and complicated processes, which leads to many people avoiding them altogether. Additionally, with bridges sitting on top of the consistently chaotic blockchain surface, security vulnerabilities can shake these bridges to the point of total collapse. Now, this is where LayerZero comes in. So, instead of building atop the ever-shaking Layer 1 landscape, LayerZero enables cross-chain trade and communication to occur below the surface. So instead of it happening on top, it happens below the surface, acting more like tunnels. Now, utilizing decentralized Oracle networks, relayers, and immutable endpoints on integrated blockchains, LayerZero actually unlocks secure one-click omnichain interoperability. For builders, protocols can reach below Layer 1 barriers to acquire data and digital assets from other applications across the blockchain world. And for users, the simplicity with which LayerZero collects data and assets hides away the previously burdensome complexity. Alright, so what are the benefits of LayerZero for core specifically? LayerZero, as we know it, is a superpower for the core developer and user experience. Now, with LayerZero, core can bring various assets and individuals onto its decentralized, scalable, and secure blockchain rails. Developers, on the other hand, who are on core, can leverage the applications, data, and tokens on other chains to enhance their own applications that are built on top of core. And for users, LayerZero makes it easy to collect data and assets from other chains. So for example, you have some data on maybe the Tezos network. LayerZero makes it easy for you as a user to easily collect this data or some other assets from other networks like the Ethereum network, or the EOS network, and abstracts away the previously burdensome complexity. So LayerZero just simply simplifies things. Before concluding this video, let me know in the comment section, by the way, how you think LayerZero's interoperability will impact Core's interaction with other blockchains. Do you think it will have any significant impact in the price and adoption of Core itself? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Now back to the concluding part of this video. Connecting the blockchain world is now easier than ever with LayerZero, which is a revolutionary technology enabling greater cross-chain interoperability, supporting assets such as USDC, USDT, and WETH. LayerZero will actually bridge the gap between different blockchains, allowing for the transfer of tokens and information. This bridge eliminates the complicated process of traditional blockchain bridges and instead creates secure one-click interoperability between these chains. With LayerZero, developers can access applications, data, and tokens on other chains to enhance their applications on Core. This enhances the user experience of Core, pushing the boundaries of cross-chain capabilities and revolutionizing the blockchain world completely. Okay, so that's it, guys. Stay tuned for more updates and information on LayerZero and other Core integrations as Core continues to rise in the world of blockchain technology. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button, consider subscribing, and turn on the notification bell for more exciting updates. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.